Hello everyone, is everyone happy? I just came back from an epic journey. I cycled from Cambridge to Chieuti, which is on the southeast coast of Italy, and I've been asked by lots of people to do a video tutorial about my bike setup. Well, let's start with the bike. This is a lovely Ridgeback Tour. Is a bike designed for touring. I bought it in UK a couple of years ago. I have a Brooks saddle. It's an amazing saddle for touring. I decided to have two panniers on the back and two panniers on the front, mainly because the bike is more balanced. Uphill I don't have the front wheel coming up, and also in curves on the gravel, especially on the gravel, the front wheel doesn't slide as much. That's why. So I'll quickly show you what I bought. Forgot to say they were 2,500k in 6 weeks. So first, the main bag was mainly containing the tent and my U-lock. Then we've got the right rear pannier containing my Crocs, a trouser, a towel, here a mix of clothes including pants, socks, scarves, whatever, all sorts of stuff, dirty clothes, and waterproof jacket and a jumper. This is everything in the right pannier. Left pannier we've got mainly camping related stuff, so an inflatable pillow, sleeping bag, lightweight sleeping bag, a trouser, my sleeping pad, a cover for my sleeping pad, and then some repair tools and a pump. Then we've got front panniers, not so heavy, couple of kilos, 2-3 kilos maximum. The right one containing beauty case, electronics, medications, couple of books, not that much really. And then the left pannier containing mainly food and kitchen related stuff, so food, biscuits, a cup, an alcohol stove, and a messy tin, and of course fuel. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like. I'm happy to answer any comments. I hope this can be helpful to you, and happy touring!